Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make cotton candy lip gloss. So I've cleaned and sanitized my bowl and my spoon, and we'll get started. So I will be needing my lip gloss versagel base, and I'll measure out exactly 1 spoon. Now there's so many oils you can use. For this one I'm gonna use coconut oil. I like to add in a little bit as I go. And you can add in a little bit of your oil, and you can use any oil you want until you get to your consistency that you like. Yeah, I'm adding a little bit more of coconut oil. Okay, so I think I like the consistency of this one. You really don't want to make it too watery. So now I'm gonna be adding in my vitamin E oil. And then I'll be adding in my cotton flavored oil. Gonna mix this well. Okay. So now it's time for me to add my color. I love this color. It really comes out so beautiful. It comes out very nice. So make sure that you really mix the color well. Avoid leaving clumps in your gel. So I'll be mixing this for a little while. So my lip gloss is mixed well with the color. I do not have clumps in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my syringe. This is my syringe. I really like this one because it's not hard to put the product in. You can actually pop this off and fill this with your product. It gets messy, but I try my very best. this color is really good. It's really perfect. It's not too much, and when you apply it on your lips, it kind of almost looks like it's almost nude. So it's my favorite color. Okay, so my product is in, and I'm just gonna put this back. I didn't make too much of a mess. There. So the pressure kind of makes it come out, but we can always put that back. You put it upside down, it works. Okay, so now I'll be putting my gloss into my tubes. I have some tubes here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my lip gloss in the tubes. And what I do is I push very slowly. And I stop and I squeeze. So it fills all the way to the bottom and I don't have bubbles or air. So what happens if you don't do that, you have bubbles and some parts of the tube won't be filled out. There. So we just put the cover. There. We're gonna do the same for this other one. Okay. So I'm gonna fill up again my syringe with some leftover, and then I'll fill the rest of the tube. So I filled up the rest that was remaining in my bowl. Again, I'm just gonna slowly push. Okay. We'll just go ahead and put our cover. So here we are, guys, our cotton candy lip gloss. It smells wonderful, it's beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, leave us a thumbs up and a comment.